Have you been thinking of renovating your laundry but not sure where to start? Discover the incredible options at your local Amber showroom. What if I told you there was a way to not only maximise every inch of your laundry space, but also make it beautiful and functional enough that you'd actually want to spend time there? It's true. Brands like Timberline have completely customisable modular units that are perfect for creating the laundry of your dreams. How good would it feel to finally have ample storage for all your linens and supplies, plus luxurious finishes that make even the most mundane chore a joy? Amber has quality brands like Linsol that can take your laundry room to a whole new level. Experience the difference with Linsol tapware. Linsol designed premium quality laundry tapware products. Every little detail is refined for the modern Australian home. The brand embodies a harmonious blend of authentic Italian design, beauty and quality, resulting in exceptional laundry tapware, sure to uplift the space. And who can forget the beautiful and extensive range of tile options for your laundry renovation? Add a featured tile splashback for a bit of luxury. Choose from our range of popular options like the timeless subway tile or trendy penny round tiles, available in colours from your standard white to shades of blue, pink, green and more. Pairing with large format floor tiles not only makes it easier for cleaning, but it helps brighten and modernise the space. From rustic stone looks to sleek polished porcelain, Amber has high performance tiles in abundance that are perfect for withstanding all the wear and tear of daily use of your laundry space. Visiting Amber means our experienced team can help tailor options to match your laundry vision. With exclusive ranges not available anywhere else, you'll leave inspired to renovate your laundry into a clean haven. Whether you want storage solutions or a total transformation, start your laundry journey with us. Why shop anywhere else? Amber has the answer.